Even though thousands of overweight teenagers seem to have gained their weight overnight, it is the result of a lifestyle without exercise. As a result, it is impossible to see immediate results from starting a habit of good physical fitness. In the current age of information and technology, all the diets and man-made methods of weight loss do not come close to good, old-fashioned physical activity. Unlike diets and pill popping, exercise causes a dramatic increase in your metabolism, which comes from your increase in endurance, allowing for a long-term solution for weight loss. Diets and pills can cause certain side effects, whereas the only possible side effect that can come from exercise is muscle strain, and that can be avoided through proper stretching before and after a workout. If you do not know any exercises or strategies as to help with your weight loss, you can spend a fraction of the cost for diets and pills on a gym membership where they provide programs and personal trainers to assist you reaching your physical goals. For example, gearing up for your daily activity can be done by jogging a few miles on a treadmill or utilizing the variety of other available machines. If having a trainer is too awkward or just too expensive for you, take only the first few lessons and glean all the needed information from the provided trainer so you can learn how to exercise on your own. Most gyms also offer fitness classes free with membership, which prove to be more than helpful, educating you in the methods of Taebo, Pilates, yoga, and aerobics. Since shyness is common among teenagers, there are hundreds of fitness videos available online. These are always helpful, as it only holds a one-time purchasing cost and all you need to do is establish a time of physical activity at home. Remember to drink lots of water while working out at home. Most gyms supply water sources right in the facility, however while in the comfort of home it is easy to forget to keep hydrated. If you forget, heat stroke or dehydration is common side effects. There is no shame in easing your way into a physically active lifestyle. Sometimes it is doctor recommended, due to the body's needs not matching your will to jump right into the workout. Since this is the case, get a checkup with your personal physician and get their analyses on your physical condition and go from there. One of the great methods to keep up this newfound lifestyle of fitness is to engage in sports. Do not hide from the court anymore, dive in and race up and down the gym. This speeds up your heart rate and adds to your endurance levels, not to mention the loss in calories. These are some practical methods on how teens can lose weight. Remember, everyone has the potential to live healthy, we just need a small shove in the right direction. Lose 10 pounds by jogging. For the vast majority of people, weight gain is a very slow, almost imperceptible process. Most of us are familiar with the experience of stepping on a scale and wondering just where, exactly, did those pounds come from. For most people, the weight comes from times in the past year where they indulged. What happens is that you indulge for a week or two, vacation, Christmas, and then go back to your normal lifestyle. You do nothing to lose the weight. So these small weight gains stay with you and build up over time. For this reason, almost anyone would love to lose 10 pounds at some point, and a great way to do so is by jogging. Depending on who you talk to, jogging is considered the best exercise to lose weight. The reason is because the high intensity of jogging burns a lot of calories. If you're looking to lose 10 pounds, there are a lot worse things you could try than a half-hour jog a few times a week. Jogging is also preferable for many people because it incorporates exercise in a more interesting way. Trying to lose 10 pounds by going to the gym 3 times a week isn't a whole lot of fun. It will certainly feel like work as you count off the minutes of your workout. Jogging, on the other hand, requires nothing but a pair of shoes and allows you to enjoy some scenery. One of the problems people face when trying to lose 10 pounds is incorporating exercise into their daily routines. Most of us are busy enough as it is, and can't find the time to go to the gym at scheduled intervals. If you're trying to lose 10 pounds, you'll find that jogging is a much more flexible activity. You don't have to drive to the gym, you can do it wherever and whenever you want. While jogging is an excellent way to lose 10 pounds and increase your fitness level, you should keep in mind that it is harder on the body than a lot of other physical activities. Jogging involves lurching your full weight around repeatedly. This is precisely why it's such a good workout, and this can cause stress on the joints in your knees and feet. You should also keep in mind that jogging is an intense physical activity, so if you're starting from a very low level of fitness, it may be a little too much, and you may want to work up to it. As long as you keep the above in mind though, you'll find jogging an excellent way to lose 10 pounds. As an added bonus, jogging is recognized as one of the best ways to maintain weight as well, so you don't have to worry about a diet that gains all the weight back once it's stopped. And even though you may be jogging primarily to lose those 10 pounds, you'll also be doing wonders for the health of your heart and cardiovascular system. Lose 10 pounds by biking. So you want to lose weight. All of us do at some point, and losing weight is a great way to both look and feel better. Not only that, but you'll feel better about yourself and have more confidence. A great goal to set for yourself when initially trying to lose weight is to try and lose 10 pounds. This should be an attainable goal for almost anyone. So where do you start? Most people, when they think of weight loss, think of unappetizing diets or strenuous exercise regimens, but it doesn't have to be that way. If you're looking to lose 10 pounds while still having fun and getting some fresh air, look instead to what was probably one of your favorite childhood activities, bicycling. There are many benefits to biking, but the main one is that it's really the only form of exercise that can also function as transportation. The reason it's difficult for many people to lose weight is because to try work too much time into their already busy lifestyles. For example, let's say your plan is to lose 10 pounds by getting a gym membership and going a few times a week. While this may be great at first, there's a good chance that it's going to start interfering with other commitments. One day you have to stay late at work, so you skip gym. One day you have to pick up your son from soccer practice, so you skip. Eventually, it becomes easy to break the gym routine, because it's always going to seem like some extra that you don't always have time for. Now say instead of going to the gym to lose those 10 pounds, you decide to bike to work. While it may take a little longer to lose the weight, by biking to work you're really losing no time at all. If you live in a city, there's a good chance that it's not going to take you a whole lot longer than a car trip does. So basically you get to lose 10 pounds for free, as it were, because you don't have to make time for exercise. When you engage in most other forms of exercise, you're engaging in it exclusively, you're not getting anything else done when you're at the gym. With biking, on the other hand, the exercise is almost a secondary bonus to the primary function of getting somewhere you need to go. Add to this the fact that you're saving money on transportation and doing good for the environment, it's hard to argue against biking as one of the best forms of exercise. By simply biking to and from work every day, you should be able to lose 10 pounds fairly quickly without affecting your schedule too much. If your employer is a far enough distance away from you that you must drive, consider instead using a bike for errands outside of work. And if you want to really lose those 10 pounds quickly, start biking for recreation too, some weekend bike riding will do wonders for weight loss.